What's going on, guys? Steve here with Online Affiliate Studio, and in this video I'm going to be breaking down how exactly to get your sales funnel all set up, all the technical stuff, setting up your profile, everything you need to do in order to start promoting your business and start bringing traffic in and start making money. All right, so let's get into the video. Alright guys, so the first thing you're going to want to do is get ready to log into your system. And as I go through this, there's a lot of tools and a lot of videos in the back office of the dashboard, like I showed you in the other video, that really breaks down each and every step. So once you get in and really start digging in, you'll be able to make your way to getting this stuff set up for you. But what I wanted to do is give you a just step by, step 1, step 2, step 3 type quick video in order for you not to get, because I know when I first started with this kind of stuff, it was easy for you to get overwhelmed. You get into the back systems of all these offers, and it's like, oh my God, where do I even begin? I know the information is all out there, but unless you have an exact 1, 2, 3 kind of step, it's very easy to get overwhelmed with online marketing. That's why a lot of people don't succeed with online marketing, because take it from me, it's very easy to get overwhelmed. And once you start getting overwhelmed, then that's when you start putting on the brakes, and doubt and negativity starts setting in. So what I wanted to do for, once you're in this with me, this is kind of pretty much a one-on-one member-to-member direct pay system. If you're in this system with me, then I'll kind of help you walk through it, and I'll show you the real way to start making money online without all the BS, without all the jumping from one thing to the next thing to the next thing, because at the end of the day, it's all about traffic, building your list, developing your skills in online marketing, and starting to learn things, breaking it down to the little step-by-step things. It's very easy to get overwhelmed, but I'm here to help you not get overwhelmed. So this video might be a little bit longer, so it is what it is. All right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to log into your back page, your dashboard. Okay, let's see here. What we're going to be doing in this video, we're going to be setting up the profile and your payment processing, setting up your capture page and your sales funnel, getting those going, setting up Aweber, your email autoresponder, because one of the foundations of online marketing is setting up your email autoresponder. So when people go into your landing page, you start to build your list, okay? Because it doesn't matter at the end of the day what products you're promoting, as long as you stand behind your products, that's a great thing. But as time goes on, you're going to be promoting a lot of different things, so you should always be building your list. I've built up plenty of lists over the years. Things happen that I let go of those lists, so I should always have been keeping those lists. But as you test different products and you're jumping around, you start to develop your skills. You're doing a whole lot of different things. But you should always be building your list. That's why I'm kind of taking all this back to the beginning, and building a serious, consistent business with this. And as you get into this with me, you'll see how it goes straight from the beginning. So whoever's with me, you're right back at the beginning with me, and we're going to take it from here, and I'll show you what to do. All right, so in this video, we're going to be showing you how to set up your profile, your payment processing, your capture page, your sales funnel, your email autoresponder, that way you can start collecting emails, and setting up your link with ClickMagick, that way you can track it. All right, so let's get into it. First thing, setting up your profile and your payment processing. Just how you paid when you came in here, the first thing you're going to want to do is set up your payment processing and getting the housekeeping out of the way. So you're going to want to go over to your profile, make sure all your information is correct. Do the little things. It's all about getting set up first. Put your picture in here. Making sure all your information is correct. Now you can use different merchant accounts when it comes to getting paid through this, because this is people paying you like directly. Yeah, they have to pay the member admin fee, which is going to be through a credit card, but that's going to be going to ICS. So you're going to want to be able to take payments for yourself as well. So you can use PayPal. But to be honest with you, PayPal over the years has been doing a lot of things when it comes to online marketing. They're not that friendly when it comes to online marketing. So why even take that chance? I mean, I've had friends that have had thousands and thousands of dollars on hold with PayPal for whatever reason. I had one friend who had like $50,000 on hold with PayPal, never got it back. So if you were on Facebook at all, if you're in this industry, you've seen the problems that people have had with PayPal. It hasn't been so much. I think it was about a year ago when everybody's PayPal accounts started getting locked up. I haven't heard that in a while. I think most people are like getting away from PayPal and starting using their own payment processors. And that's when I started using my own payment processor. So I use Stripe. So if you go to Stripe. I think it's stripe.net. Let's see here. All right, it's stripe.com. So go to stripe.com, set up an account. You're going to need like a real bank account in order to connect it to Stripe, but it's free, it's easy, and then you'll be able to accept credit card payments that'll go directly to your bank. That way you don't have to worry about like PayPal or anything else like being like in the middle. Okay, so set up a Stripe account. This is going to be in your back office of your Stripe account, your public key and your secret key. These are blurred out because, personal. And then you're going to want to come down to your payment details. All right. Take a screenshot of this. Boom. Copy it down, pause it, whatever. And then put this in your payment details. Please call me at 908-274-1508 once you pay the admin fee, and I'll help you get set up through me. You're going to do the same exact thing. This phone number here is a Google Voice number. Okay, so you're going to want to go to Google Voice, set up a Google Voice account. You get one free phone number that will be connected to your main number. Okay, so I got a few different numbers connected to a few different things. Always have multiple streams of income. Don't always just do one stream of income. So get yourself a Google Voice number that's free. You get one free number, and you can connect that to your personal cell phone. That way you don't have to put your personal cell phone out there to the world. And you put your Google Voice number in here. So put your Google Voice number in there. That way people can call you as you can call me, and as you guys are calling me, that it goes directly to my cell phone, and you'll do the same thing. And then you put in here, you can pay me directly through one of these mobile apps as well. People are using mobile apps nowadays all the time. You know what I mean? So a lot of people don't use a whole lot of banking. Well, it's just another way for you to get paid. People use Cash App, Zelle. There's a couple other ones out there, but I use Zelle and I use Cash App. All right. Oh, there's another one. What's the other one out there? The big one. Oh, Venmo. Venmo is another one. Okay, so you can use whatever you want, but I use Zelle and I use Cash App. So you say you can pay me directly through one of these mobile apps as well. There's Zelle. Put your username in there. Cash App. Put your username in there. I look forward to working with you. That's it. And then you're set up. So now you can take credit card payments through Stripe. And now you can get paid through mobile apps as well, if people don't want to use like a credit card. All right, so then your payment is set up and you're good to go. All right, now next thing you're doing, you're going to set up your capture page and your sales funnel. All right, so you go back to the members area. You're going to go down to your capture pages. Now, I was making this overly complicated because I use Power Lead System to create all my capture pages. But what I wanted to do is I wanted to say, okay, well, if somebody doesn't really know a whole lot about building capture pages, I wanted to take it way back to the beginning and say, all right, if I'm somebody who's just getting into online marketing, what am I going to need to do? I don't want to get overwhelmed. I want to actually use the system for what it gives you. So even though I do have other capture pages that I'll show you in different videos on how to set up, I wanted to use what they give you. So you're saying, oh, this is a business in a box. I don't want to have to do anything except drive traffic. How do I get that set up? I said, okay, so let's just use what they give you. Use exactly the capture pages in the business in a box method. So you're going to go down here and you're going to pick one of these capture pages. You can take a look at them. See what you like. This is a pretty cool one. I think I'm actually using this one. But you see on my members area, you can see which one I'm actually using because it'll show you. That's a good thing I like about this system. It's pretty cool. It's pretty clean. So this is the actual one I am using. Is that the one I just showed you? Anyway, but yeah, this is a good one that I use. It's this one over here. And then this is the page that it goes to. That's the page that you saw probably once you opted in. Take a look at it. Thanks for opting in. All right, so that's a capture page in a sales funnel. Once you start sending traffic, they're going to be sent to this page right here where they're going to put their name, email, phone number in. Then it's going to lead them to the sales page. And from the sales page leads them to the actual business page where they can actually buy to get in. And that's a sales funnel. That's it. Traffic to a capture page. Capture page gets the email, the name. Then that goes to the sales page. And that's where you make your commission. Now, just like this business in a box, that's how people are making money with Max Bounty, ClickBank, internet marketing products, anything, Amazon products, anything. They all have sales pages. Send your traffic, get your name, email, goes to a landing page. That landing page goes to either a bridge page, and that's what this is called. This case is called a bridge page. And from here, it goes to the offer. That's it. Sales funnels all day long. So that's why when you're getting into this business, that's what you're starting to learn. You're starting to learn how to put sales pages together and, how to make money online marketing. That's all it is. So let's see here. How do you edit these pages? All right, so when you go in here, you're going to want to edit the page. All right, and this is where you can start, and there are videos inside the dashboard, so I'm not going to go completely into this. Again, reach out to me if you're having a hard time, and I will direct you exactly where you can learn, because I'm not going to do a video on how to edit this when they've already done a lot of videos on editing it. All right, they're going to show you, how to change these videos, how to change the text, and I kept it basically the same. I added a few different things. Let's see here. You're going to put your info at the bottom. One of these videos you're going to keep the same. Show me the money video, you're going to keep that the same. Let's see here. Me personally, I would make your own video for here. That'll give you can use my video if you want, but there are two types of people that are marketing online. There are people that want to use the law of attraction to bring people in, to show them exactly what to do, because you want to be a more direct person-to-person business. You want to create a person-to-person affiliate marketing, network marketing business, and there are people that are willing to do that. And people that don't want to do that, there are other ways to make money online. There's Max Bounty, CPA, ClickBank, launch jacking, and I'll show you how to do all that stuff. So by you getting into this system here, I can show you how to do it, and I can show you how to make money with it. In the beginning, you can use me to bring people in with you until you start getting some of your own successes. And that's how it goes, you know what I mean? And if you don't want to put yourself out there, you don't want to make videos, then you do CPA marketing and all that other kind of stuff until you are comfortable. Because at the end of the day, you will get comfortable with doing videos. It's just a matter of how quickly you want to get into it. Because once you start making videos, that's when you're going to start making some real money a lot faster. So let's see, you're going to make your own videos for here. And that's how you set it up. Again, I'm not going to go back into exactly how to do it, but this is what you're going to want to do. You're going to want to set up this page to make it more personalized for yourself, or you can use mine, whatever you want to do, until you start getting some money in. Let's see. Set up your Aweber and your email autoresponder. All right, now when it comes to setting up an email autoresponder, that's when people go into your capture page, they put their email, their name, then it goes to the sales page. Now what that email is, it gets sent to, let me just show you. You're going to have Aweber. All right, now you're going to want to get in Aweber because I've used, again, all throughout the years, I've used Aweber, I've used MailChimp, I've used GetResponse, I've used Emailing Boss, I've used a lot of them. All right, and they all have different features. It is a monthly service that you're paying for. You're paying for your per subscribers. So the more subscribers you build, the more monthly you're going to have to pay. I think Aweber is like $20 a month. You get about 2,000 subscribers. Anything once you start getting higher than that, it starts going up. But you're making money, so it doesn't matter. You're always going to have tools when it comes to online businesses. I think my monthly tools that I pay right now equals out to about maybe $100-$150 a month. But that's fine because you're making, once you start making mad money a month, the tools, it's nothing. I mean, if you're going to have your own business, you have to have some kind of expenses. Nothing is free. So yeah, get your Aweber. Like I said, I've used Aweber. I used GetResponse. I used all of them. I went back to Aweber. I've used Aweber, I think, 2 or 3 times over the years. Like I said, I've built lists before and I've lost them because, life got in the way. And, you didn't want to continue on for whatever reason. I didn't do online marketing, or I started going in another direction. I stopped building a list. So I lost those lists. So I'm starting from scratch all over again, which is fine because I know I can build it up quickly. So you're going to get your Aweber. And once you come in with me, I am going to give you I think it's let's see here, a 30-day email series. So once you get in with me, I'll give you automatically 30 days of emails that you will go ahead and have. That way you don't have to come up with emails on your own. And you get that with the business as well, but these are going to be a little bit more personalized. And when I say you get them with the business, you get them inside of your members area. So manage auto response. These are the emails that you get. Let's see here. I think you get about like 16 days or so. I'm going to give you a 30-day email. That way you don't have to create all these emails on your own, and then all you have to do is come in here, go to your Aweber follow-up series. These are the emails that you're going to get from me. You're going to come in, this is the code that you have, you're going to put it here, load your follow-up series, and then these will populate for you, and then you're going to go in and edit them to make them your own. So when it says, hey, it's Steven here, thank you for subscribing, you're going to put your name here. You're going to change all these links to make them your links. You're going to put your Google Voice number in there. Put your info here. Connect with me on Facebook. You can put your Facebook page here. Put your picture here. This is a real business. This is time that you're going to have to put into this. To be honest with you, the first time I did this, it took me about maybe an hour to actually edit all these emails. But now you have 30 days worth of emails. So once you start sending traffic in, these are just emails that people are going to get on a daily basis. That's something that you're never going to have to do. So you got to put the work in the beginning to get 30 days worth of marketing that you'll never have to worry about again. That's one of the beauties of working online. Once you set these things up once and then you put them out there, you never have to worry about it again, and they're working for you. So that's how you set up your email autoresponder. You get the code, you plug it into your Aweber, these emails populate, and then you're going to have to go in there and edit each email. And again, reach out to me if you need help. I'll direct you and I'll show you how to do it. and then you're going to go back to your business, go to your members area. Where is it? Members area. Go to your profile, your third-party autoresponder. This is where you can add your third-party order. This is where you're going to add that Aweber list that you just created, so that when people get into your capture pages, they'll get your emails, which are better than the emails that they give you in this business. So that's where you'll put it in your list here. All right. I don't know if this is going to be blurred out or not. This part probably won't be blurred out because I have to give that to you anyway. But I want this video's on YouTube, but I want these people that come in with me to actually get this email autoresponder. I don't want everybody to get it, because you got to join me to get the good stuff, and then I help you make money. Can't just give it away to everybody. All right, so what's the next one? Set up your ClickMagick and your tracking. All right. All right, now ClickMagick is a tracking system that I use for all my links online, because when you're paying for traffic, you want to know that you're actually getting the clicks that you're paying for. And when using different methods of free traffic, you want to know what traffic is working, you know, where it's coming from. Some sources work better than others, and that's where tracking. You're always going to track, whether you're doing this business, whether you're doing CPA marketing, launch check, anything you market online, you're going to want to track your links, because you're going to want to be able to test, because whether you're putting in time or whether you're putting in money, you want to know where the better part of your time is going, or where the better part of your money is going. And if that makes sense, you got to split test everything. All right, because you don't want to spend 1, 2, 3 days testing or marketing a link and you have no idea what's going on with it. You don't know what links are coming to it. You just don't know anything. You want to track everything. Okay, so ClickMagick is the tracking system I use. It's very basic, very easy. Been using it for years. There's a link in the description to get involved with that one as well. You got like a 30-day free trial with it, so you can start getting it set up. That Aweber, there's I think it's a 30-day free trial with it. The system I use for landing pages, there's a free trial with that. So everything that I offer has free trials with it. That way you can get in, check it out before you even have to start paying for it. But I only use the things that are necessary and that you need in order to grow your business. Let's see here. So when it comes to tracking your links, you're going to create a new link, link group. Let's see, it could be all. Put your link name in there, which will be, let's see, ICS. Let's see, ICS. Let's see, 2, because I already have one. Put your tracking link in there. Now, when it comes to ClickMagick, they give you one link, but you're going to have to create some domain names. That way, things won't start getting shut down. And now I'm starting to get into like advanced things, but real basic. Once you get to this point here, just reach out to me and I'll help you walk you through it. Because that's when, let's see, I don't want to get too advanced and then you'll start getting overwhelmed. But once you get to this point here, reach out to me and I'll help you walk through it. But what you're going to basically have to do is you're going to have to get your own get another domain name. It doesn't have to be anything serious. It could be an XYZ domain, costs $1, because you don't want to send links through your clickmagick.com link. Now, why? Because there are millions of people online who are promoting through ClickMagick, and if you and 100 other people are using the clickmagick.com link, then networks and traffic sources are going to be like, oh, these are bad spammy links, we're going to shut it down. So everybody shuts down clickmagick.com links. So you have to use your own domain name. That's just a tracking tip, because a lot of people don't know that, and they'll end up wasting a lot of money or whatever, because a lot of your links are just getting shut down because clickmagick.com links are just everybody's using them, so you got to kind of have to stand out a little bit. So come up with a domain name. Could be an XYZ. Doesn't have to be anything serious, because all it takes is one domain, and you could run like hundreds and hundreds of links to that one through that one domain. It doesn't matter. I've got 3 of them because I've spent so much traffic over the years. I just like having more than one. But if you have like 1 or 2 domain names in here, that's all you need for a long, long time. Come in here and you put in whatever link you can name it. Your primary link is going to be your primary URL. Mine is getpaidtopostads.com. That's for your main capture page that goes to your sales page. That's where you see this link all over, getpaidtopostads.com. That's my link that goes to my capture page. And to go back to this part right here, let's see. And all this stuff is explained inside the dashboard. But again, you know what I mean? I'm trying to give you like a quick little breakdown and I'll put it all into one space of exactly what you need to do. But just to give you another tip right here while we're in the middle of this, go get yourself a domain name, and you can go to like namecheap.com. Let's see. Sign in, it's free account. That way you can start buying domain names, and hosting different things. Let's see, get paid to post ads. Now you're going to want to do two domain names for this ICS business. You're going to need one straight domain name, getpaidtopostads.com. That's going to be for your capture page, and you're going to need another one for this sales page. And they tell you this in the training, but I'm just letting you know that's what you're going to need. You're going to set up a domain name for this capture page and a domain name for this sales page. So the ones I have, getpaidtopostads.com goes to my capture page, and getpaidtopostads.info goes to my sales page. Now, why is that? Because you see this link up here, instantcashsolution.com/page.199.dollar.sm. You're going to want to have a prettier link than that. So mine are not prettier, but just more, what do I want to say? It's not generic, but just a cooler link. You don't want to start showing, long, ugly links out there. You want to put your own kind of small, pretty link. I guess that's what you're going to call it. You're going to call it a small, pretty link. All right, now you can use like Bitly, but you can't promote Bitly on Facebook and a lot of different places. And when I say Bitly, I mean Bitly is a site to where if you have a long link, you can come in here and shorten that link to like a bit.ly/ whatever you want to put in here. So instead of you having, instantcashsolutions.com, XYZ, Stephen Dillard, SM, blah, 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 you can just come in here, create yourself a quick Bitly link, and that way it'll be nice and pretty. But instead of doing that, you need to get your domain names. That makes it a little bit more personalized and just better. It's always stronger to have your own domain names than using the regular affiliate link names, if that makes sense, or even a Bitly name. Okay, so you see what I mean when it says, and this is just me talking about all this. It seems like it's all over the place and there's a lot of things you have to do, but the more you do it, the more you'll learn how to do it, and the more you'll be able to take the stuff that you learn and putting this stuff together and then putting into another product after that, and then another product and another product, so it gets easier and easier and easier. So I hope that makes sense, and I hope this video is helping you at all and it doesn't seem like it's all over the place. It's a lot of things to do, but that's why they're video. You just stop, pause, go back, do the step, and then start the video again and keep it going. So And again, the more you do it, the more you'll learn, and the easier it'll get, and it won't be so. It won't seem like it's so overwhelming. All right. Let's see here. So I showed you how to do your profile, get your payment processing together. I showed you how to get your capture page and your sales funnel going. Set up your Aweber, your email autoresponder. Yeah, reach out to me if you have any questions on that. I told you about ClickMagick and your tracking, how you're going to want to be tracking your links. Again, we're in the group, we're in this together. So if you're in it with me, then I'll show you how to do it. We'll go through some, we'll do like a Skype or something, and we'll do it together on video. And that's about it, really. So hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel. Connect with me. Let me know where you're at. You can call me if you have any questions. You put the comments in there, and we'll take it there. And we'll start, working together and building a business. So I hope you enjoyed it. I know it probably seemed like it was all over the place, but I'm just starting to get back into making these videos. I'm going to be making them more on a consistent basis so I can help you guys. Getting into this business is going to be more like a one-on-one consulting with me. All right, so the fact that you're in here, that you've paid to be a part of like ICS, that'll give me the opportunity to kind of mentor you one-on-one in whatever direction you're trying to go online. All right, so that's why I have this program here, because it's more of like I can show you how to start online marketing using this system here, and by you joining and buying in with me, that enables me to give you more like a one-on-one mentoring. All right, so if you're looking to do online marketing, get in with ICS. I'll show you how to market that. So by doing that, I teach you how to market anything. Okay, so hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.